What is a benchtop joiner? Well, most of you might think that it's a bare bones machine with a smaller cut capacity and maybe lacking in power a little bit. But that is certainly not this machine. This is the Grizzly G0947 8-inch benchtop joiner, and I'm going to show you how this is the perfect fit for most any size shop. First thing that you'll notice is the cut capacity itself. Most benchtop machines feature a 6-inch cut capacity, but here we have an 8-inch cutter head, which is the size that you'll typically find on most floor model joiners. Secondly, the cutter head itself, which is a spiral type cutter head. So what is a spiral type cutter head? It incorporates indexable inserts which are razor sharp, and each insert is aligned perfectly to create a seamless mirror-like finish as it rotates. A spiral type cutter head is not only a lot quieter than its straight knife cousin, but it also produces a much smaller chip during the cut process, and that really can improve your dust collection by minimizing the clogged lines. Another thing not commonly found on a benchtop joiner is actually the unseen hero, and that is the 1.5 horsepower motor. This motor delivers a ton of power to the cutter head, and it makes a very clean cut. And just because this machine is a benchtop doesn't mean it should lack in capacity for running longer material. On both the infeed and the outfeed sides of the machine are table extension bars, which take it from a 34-inch table out to 52. And each bar securely locks into place at any point along the way. Table adjustment has also been accounted for in both the infeed and the outfeed sides, since a joiner is only as good as the reference surfaces that it has. Each table has 4 points of adjustment to ensure that it is perfectly parallel to the cutter head. Now these are just some of the key features that make this machine stand out from the pack, but you also have things like a rock solid fence with accurate bevel capabilities, and a great inline 4-inch dust port system with 2.5-inch adapter that is great for shop vac applications. Plus, very easy to use cut depth adjustment. And of course, it's a lightweight machine, so you could even take it to the job site. This machine is proof that big things do come in benchtop size, and it's ready for your next project.